is chemistry. Now, looking around us, just take a look at the environment. We discover that the environment, the universe is made up of different kinds of stuffs. Stuffs in solid state, in liquid state, those you can feel that you may not actually be able to see. And this is what we call matter. Matter. Matter has been defined as any substance that has mass and volume. And because we are in the universe, I mean we are in the earth here, there is no way you will mention mass and you will not talk about the weight because of acceleration due to gravity. Therefore, it will not be wrong for you to define matter as anything that has weight and can occupy space. Back to our elementary study then in school, we are made to understand the three states of matter. And that is the solid state, the liquid state, and the gaseous state. These are the three states of matter, which means any substance in either of these three states of matter is considered to be a matter. And we say chemistry is the study of matter. Taking a look at our environment, what are those things we can see? What are those things that we can touch? What are those things that we can feel? That is, things like table, chairs, stool, cars, even human being. If chemistry is the study of matter, does that mean one day we will come to the class and say, today topic is water. We want to study water because water is in liquid state and can occupy a space. It has a weight. It can be represented in volume. It can be measured in volume. Now, we say one day we will bring car to class and say, today in chemistry, because we want to study matter, we want to study car, and so on. Well, the simple answer to that is yes and no. Yes, in the sense that in chemistry, we study composition of matter. Composition of matter. Composition of matter. In chemistry, we study composition of matter. That is the structure of that matter, of the stuff, of things around us. We look into it and study the structure. What does it made of? How does it look like? In answering the question, how does it look like? Then we talk about its structure. Structure. Talk about the structure. In looking at the structure, that means we are talking about its composition, and that means we are talking about how does it look like. So chemistry. In chemistry, we study composition of matter, and the study of matter is chemistry. Likewise, we look and study the property of matter, properties of matter. That is, the reactivities of substance, of matter, of atom, of compound. How does atoms behave? What are the likely reactions that you get when you add this to this and like that? What are those things that will come as a product? What will be the end result of reacting some things together? So we talk about reactivities, substances, matter, reaction. So when you are talking about reaction of substances, reaction of atoms, reaction of metals, reaction of matter, then we are talking about properties of matter. And in studying properties of matter, we are talking about studying of matter, and that is chemistry. And as well, we talk about the uses of matter. Knowing what the properties of matter are, that is, you have known when you add this to this, you get a product, you get something formed. Then, the product you form, what are you going to use them for? So, uses of matter, that is chemistry, the study of uses of matter. So, in a simple term, just for you to be able to get it as a recap, we say chemistry is the study of CPU. C is standing for composition, which is the structure, that is, how does it look like? Property for P, which is talking about the reactivity, that is the reaction of matter, and the uses of matter. Therefore, it's better put as chemistry is the branch of science that studies the composition, the structure, properties, reaction, and uses of matter. Thank you.
If you found this video educative, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you.